What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Niggas say they hot shit, you must not heard a Glock. Mr. Pull up, let it pop. Mr. Don't play bad as guap. And ever since a tot, I've been playing around with them blocks. Close your legs, ho, give me top. And my coupe cruise like a yacht.
Just do my eyebrows real quick off camera. Alright, y'all, so I just did my eyebrows, but I'm surprised my eyebrows came out decent because I used a lip liner instead of an actual eyebrow pencil because I didn't have one. Alright, so today I wanted to do a challenge. I wanted to do the random eyeshadow color challenge thingy. So basically, I'm pretty sure you've seen this before. I saw this trending on YouTube and I was just about to do some random makeup tutorial, so I'm like, why not make it a challenge? So basically, you take an eyeshadow palette and did you guys just see all that fall out? Really? So basically, you count how many shadows are in one palette and then you could either write out each number and pick a number out from the jar, or you can just do what I'm about to do and just use a random number generator on Google. Today I wanted to use the Masquerade Mini by Jubia, and I used this because it had bright colors and then it had neutral colors, so we can see what really could happen. So we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, so that is 16. Well, actually I only have 15 because one color is missing. The minimum is 1 and the maximum is 15. Perfect. So we're gonna generate, I need 3 numbers. So the first number is 12, the second number is 14, and the third number is 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This should be fun, and shout out to Nigel. He actually, my friend Nigel, he sent this to me to do this challenge, so I think this will be really funny. This should be like really easy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take number 14 right here, and I'm gonna just place that above my crease, and I'm just gonna pack that in. I really think that this look is about to be like bomb.com. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Burkina, and that was color number 10, and I'm gonna take that color to blend out what we just put down. So I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush like so, take Burkina, I don't know, and I'm gonna blend the edges out with that color. And I'm gonna go back in with Zulu to make sure that I didn't lose any of that color. Okay. So now I'm gonna take color number 12 with a flat brush. I'm gonna put it on my, oh, okay, this might look cute. I'm gonna put it on my lid. I would have never paired these colors together like in my life at all. Like, this is like something I would have never done, but I am kind of happy I did this. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that brown liner and I'm going to line under. I really like this look. Alright, and then I'm going to take an angled brush and then I'm going to put color number 12, and I'm just going to smoke it out because I want like a red under eye. Like, oh, I got red fallout. But with this look, I feel like you have to do a bold cat eye. This look is like it, honey. Period. Amen. This is the brand of lashes that I'm using. This is the INV collection, but I'm using number 19. So I'm gonna just put these lashes on real quick. So I just put the lashes on, and y'all, I'm like feeling it right now. Definitely feeling it. I would have never tried to look like this. Like, adding a little bit more red because I want that under eye to like really pop out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply foundation. So guys, I really love this look. Like, I think this look was so freaking cute. It came out so raw. Like, look, get into the look, get into it, please, because who know me, I love this a lot. All right, y'all, so that's the end of this video, and honestly, I fell in love with this look. Like, I think this look is so freaking pretty. What's so crazy is I'm so basic when it comes to my makeup. Like, I just like the natural look, or if I do something, it's like a brown cut crease. So this was like something out of my comfort zone, and I freaking love it. Like, I would have never did this look, but I think I might pull this look out the bag again one night when I step out, because this is it, period. Okay, so if you like this look and you like me, your girl Team Stacie, make sure you like this video. Okay, that's all I'm asking for you to do, and to subscribe. Just do it like Nike and join the family, period. Also comment down below. I just need you to like, comment, subscribe. I'm asking for 3 things. That ain't nothing. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.